I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have access and an account. Now create a property so data can flow. Choose GA4 for current features, or Universal only if you need legacy reporting. This decision affects the ID format. Once you create the property, copy the measurement ID or tracking ID immediately. You will paste it into your site. Make sure to set the correct time zone and data sharing preferences, because those control reporting windows and privacy defaults, and they save you headaches later when comparing sessions and conversions. Now install the tracking snippet where every page can load it, usually in the global header. If you use a CMS, paste the measurement ID into the theme header, plugin, or site settings. If manual, place the GA4 tag or Universal Analytics script before the closing head tag on all templates. Once done, open Debug View or Tag Assistant to confirm hits arriving. If you use a tag manager, create a new tag with your ID and trigger on all pages. This centralizes future edits and reduces duplication. Finish by configuring what matters. Create events for clicks, form submissions, and conversions so you measure outcomes, not just visits. Then set up audiences and retention and enable cross-domain tracking if you use multiple domains. Verify in real-time reports and use validation tools to ensure no duplicate tags. If data is missing, start troubleshooting. Verify the exact ID, look for ad blocker blocking, script conflicts, or caching issues, and make sure consent banners aren't preventing hits from sending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.